Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can create a digital product selling website where user can view all the products, add them to the cart, enter the billing details and make the payment with their preferred payment method. If you also want to create your own digital store, then stick with us. So I'm assuming you have your domain and hosting and you are logged into your WordPress dashboard. First up, let's add a theme. For that, go to Appearance and then click on Theme. Click on Add a new theme. Search for a theme called Astra. Click Install. Activate the theme. Click on Get Started. Click on this button. Search Elementor as it will be easier. Click on the e-commerce tab and choose the template that you like. I am going to choose this one. Click Skip and Continue. You can change the colors and fonts. Click on Continue. Fill in the details and click on this button. This may take a few minutes. Click on View Your Website. You now have a complete e-commerce website. As you can see, here are some sample products, so let's delete these products. For that, let's go back to our admin dashboard. Click on Products. Select all, move to the trash and apply. Now if we take a look at our site, the products will be gone. To add our own product, click on Add New. Let's quickly fill out the product details. Make sure to check these boxes. Add the price of your product. Type the product name and upload your digital product. Once it's done, click on this button. You can also add the download limit and expiry. Now to add the product image, just click on Set Product Image. Just upload the image. Click on Publish to add the product to your site. If we look at our site, we can now see the product. If we try to purchase the product, we can see that there are no payment methods. So to add the payment method, let's head over to our admin dashboard. Click on WooCommerce settings. Go to payments. You can see a lot of payment methods, but I want to get payments via PayPal. So to add the PayPal payment method, let's add the WooCommerce PayPal Payments plugin. Once it's done, let's go to our payment settings. Now you can see an option called PayPal. Click on Finish Setup. Check this button and click on Activate PayPal. Now log in to your PayPal account. Click on Agree and Connect. Once it's done, scroll down and save the changes. Now turn this button on and that's it. We have added our payment method. If you go back to our site and refresh the page, we now can see a payment method to make the payment. Now let's see how to customize our website. Just click on Edit with Elementor. And you'll be able to customize anything just by using drag and drop. Click on any of the images or text and make the changes. It's that simple. But remember, we can't edit our header and footer using Elementor. So if you wish to edit your header and footer section, then just click on Customize. Now you can change the logo, menus and all that stuff. Okay, now you know how to customize your site. If we take a look at our checkout page, users need to add all these unnecessary details like their address and all. Since we are selling digital products, we don't need all this information, right? So to fix this, add a new plugin called Digital Goods for WooCommerce Checkout. Once this is done, just check the fields you want to remove. And enable this button. Now if we refresh our page, all the unnecessary fields have been removed. Now I'll just quickly customize this site and show you the final results. The customization part is pretty easy, which is why I'm not going into details, but if you face any problems, then you can comment on the comment box. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.